G'day, fugitive Australian journalist Shane Dowling from the website kangaroocourtofaustralia.com. Now, Lachlan Murdoch today, the 4th of April 2023, has had a huge loss in his defamation case against Crikey. It's only at the interlocutory stage of proceedings, but Crikey have been allowed further time to file new evidence they got from the Dominion voting systems defamation case against Fox News in the US. Over the last few weeks, evidence has been spilling out online, showing that Fox News, Lachlan Murdoch, Rupert Murdoch, they all knew they were telling lies about the 2020 presidential election being stolen. And when they found out they were lies, they continued to tell the lies because it was beneficial for them financially. And so Crikey were trying to file that extra evidence. Lachlan Murdoch's lawyers here in Australia were trying to stop them. And Crikey have had a win today, and they're going to be allowed an extra week or so to file that extra evidence. And it's very damaging, obviously. Both cases, the Dominion voting case in the US and the Crikey matter here, the defamation case here, fairly well about the same sort of issues. They cover whether the election was stolen, whether Fox News was lying, whether Lachlan Murdoch and Rupert Murdoch were lying. So they cover very similar issues, a lot of the same issues. And so for Crikey to now be given extra time to file that evidence, very incriminating evidence against Lachlan Murdoch, is a big loss for Lachlan Murdoch today. And the Dominion court case is about to go ahead in the next couple of weeks. And so that could be even more damaging for Lachlan Murdoch's defamation case against Crikey. Because if they lose the defamation case in the US against Dominion, well, Dominion are suing them. But if they lose that case, well, that judgment could ultimately be used against Lachlan Murdoch here, or not against him, on behalf of Crikey in their defence. So it's a very difficult juggling act for Lachlan Murdoch. He's lying all over the park, like he normally does, like his father does. So I think these court cases, like I've said before, I've written a couple of articles about it recently. You can go to my website, Kangaroo Court of Australia. Could be the beginning of the end for Lachlan Murdoch and Rupert Murdoch and their companies, because the floodgates will open without a doubt in the near future, and there's going to be a lot of lawsuits against the companies. It's already happening in the US, where Smartmatic Voting Systems is also suing them. Former staff member started suing them because she said she was pressured by lawyers for Fox News to give fake information or fake evidence in the Dominion voting systems, and that'll come out in the next few weeks as well, because I believe she'll be called as an witness. And Lachlan Murdoch and Rupert Murdoch are apparently going to be called as witnesses in the defamation case in the US, the Dominion matter. And once again, that evidence that Lachlan Murdoch gives there could be used in the court case here against Crikey. Crikey might use it as evidence for their defence. So it's fun times ahead. Anyhow, Kangaroo Court of Australia is an independent media. I publish a YouTube channel, website, Facebook page and Twitter account. So please support me on Patreon and PayPal. You can donate any amount, $3, $5, $10, $15, $20 a month. It all helps out. Helps me produce these videos and publish articles. And please share this video on Facebook and Twitter, etc. Thank you for your time and have a good day.